Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and if you're an affiliate marketer, SEO marketer, blogger, online marketer, and you're finally ready to make money with automated AI content, then you are on the right page. Because on this page, I'm going to share with you our new and most advanced platform that writes, optimizes, and posts profit-producing product reviews from any URL for 4 of the most profitable keyword types in 90 seconds or less, so that you can get page 1 rankings and earn affiliate commissions for the most profitable and easiest keywords known to marketers. And it works for any product or service. You just supply the URL. Yep, you heard that correctly. We've simplified the entire process of writing, optimizing, and posting review content into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to log into our web-based app and connect your site. This process will literally take you 2 seconds. You simply log into our web-based app, which works with any computer or browser. You connect your site to allow for automatic posting, and that's it. From here, our app will be nearly ready to do all the work for you. Step 2 is to create a new campaign and supply our app with the information of the product or service you'd like for it to write and optimize a review for. This is where the magic happens, and this only takes you about 2 to 3 minutes to complete. In this step, you're literally just telling our app what you'd like for it to do for you. You'll be selecting which type of review article you want. It can be a regular review article, an X versus Y comparison review article, for dummies content, etc. And then you just select your language, how long you want your article to be, and depending on which package you purchase, it can be between 500 to 1800 words. You enter your primary and secondary keywords that you want our app to optimize for, your affiliate links, and the URLs that you'd like our app to write your review about, and much more. And in step number 3, you just hit create post and watch our AI engine write, optimize, and post a perfectly human-like product review 100% automatically. From here, all you have to do is sit back and watch our AI work its magic. It will literally do everything for you. It's going to write a 100% unique and perfectly readable product review for the exact product or service that you specified. It will then optimize that content, format that content, and finally, when you're ready, it will post that content for you with your affiliate link added automatically. It doesn't get any better than that, right? And want to know the best part? Going through all 3 steps above will take you no more than 5 minutes to complete. It literally requires 0 work on your part. You're just telling our software what you'd like it to do for you. You'll never have to write or post product reviews manually ever again. You're about to see one of the most powerful and exciting products that we've created all year. A product that also has the potential to put an insane amount of profit in your pocket by leveraging one of the most profitable strategies that marketers have been using for decades. We have finally cracked the code. Profitable product reviews written entirely by AI. Yes, you heard that correctly. We have finally cracked the code to combine 2 of the most powerful and profitable strategies known to online marketers in the last year. Product reviews combined with artificial intelligence, and combined with my most favorite and most profitable keyword types that we've been profiting from for years. I'm talking about AI content with a profit-driven purpose, because what good is AI content if it's not making you money, right? We all know that creating product niche sites has been and continues to be one of the most profitable strategies for countless online marketers, right? And on this page, we're going to show you how you can have our AI plugin write, optimize, and post all of your product reviews for you for any niche, any product, or any service without you doing a single thing except providing a URL. And you'll be able to see how it'll take you less than 2 minutes to get it all set up. I'm talking about 100% unique product reviews that will give you the power to dominate your niche, get faster rankings, get more traffic, make more profit, and spend more time enjoying your hard-earned money. Because let's face it, profiting from product reviews is still king. And this is just as true today as it was 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, even 30 years ago. Online marketers have been profiting from product reviews for decades now. And even today, it continues to be one of the main strategies that all affiliate marketers use to get targeted traffic in a matter of days, start to build up loyal subscribers, generate affiliate commissions at record speed, get easier and faster rankings, provide value, build up trust, build a brand, and much more. In fact, being able to publish quality product reviews is more profitable now than it has ever been. With everyone being able to quickly access any and all content today on demand, there will always be people pulling out their phones to search for reviews on a product or service before buying. However, actually creating product reviews is a huge pain in the ass, right? Let's be honest here. Most of us avoid creating product reviews because it's a huge pain in the ass, even though we know how profitable they are. Trust me, I know from first-hand experience. And if you've been online for any amount of time, you've probably experienced some of this yourself. You know, things like spending endless hours in front of the computer doing research if you want to profit from a product or service that you know nothing about. Who really wants to do this? Paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars to an article writer to write your reviews for you. Who really has that kind of budget when starting out? Having a content writer disappear on you after you already paid them? This one really sucks and happens way too often. However, today I have some great news for you. We have changed the way that you profit from product reviews forever and made it easier for everyone to get more traffic rankings and make more profit. You will now be able to have unique, perfectly readable, human-like product reviews written, optimized, and posted for you at the push of a button. And for 4 of the most profitable keyword types. Yep, I'm talking about a complete artificially intelligent content creation engine that will write 100% unique product reviews for you every single time. And you'll be able to choose from 4 of the most profitable types of review keywords. The first one is our standard product reviews. This is your regular product reviews that are written, optimized, and posted for one particular product and optimized for product name review and product name reviews. Our comparison product reviews. This is where there are 2 or more competing products and the customer base needs some help to figure out which product to purchase. This style of product review is extremely profitable and has a ton of traffic potential. Some examples of this would be something like Xbox versus PlayStation or Apple Watch versus Samsung Watch. How-to keywords. This is yet another very profitable and huge keyword that usually leads someone down the buying process. They're looking for a solution to a problem, and if you present them with a product or service that solves that problem, you've got a ton of commissions in your pocket. For dummies review keywords. This is a stealth type of keyword that not many people know about, but has a ton of traffic potential as well. A perfect example of this would be someone who searches for Forex trading for dummies or cryptocurrency for dummies or pretty much any subject that someone wants to learn more about and types in for dummies instead of how-to keywords. They're essentially looking for the same solution as how-to keywords, just using a different type of keyword. Talk about awesome, right? Done for you AI content for 4 of the most profitable keyword types used by all the top niche site marketers. It's like having 4 different personal content writers writing for you for any niche, any product, or any service at any time for pennies of what it'll cost you to use a human writer, and faster than any human can ever write, guaranteed. You'll be able to have an entire perfectly readable product review niche site running on complete autopilot for you with our Quillaio web app. And to make things even better, you will not be able to tell the difference between human written content and content written by our AI writer. I know it still sounds unbelievable, but it's true. And all you have to do is supply the URLs of the product or services you'd like our engine to write a review about, choose your language, choose the number of words, and that's it. And to make things even easier, you will not be able to tell the difference between human written content and content written by our AI writer. Allow me to introduce you to Quillaio. Quillaio works for any affiliate network, any product, or any service. ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, Thrivecart, PayKickstart, private affiliate programs, literally anything. If you can supply Quillaio with a URL about the product or service, it will write a perfectly readable review for you. And now it's time to cut to the chase. How much is it to get access to this futuristic piece of equipment? And trust us, we struggled with this as well. Why? Well, because at first we couldn't really believe what we have created. Every time the engine writes, optimizes, and posts another review for us, it continues to wow us. The quality of the review, the optimization, and the automatic posting is truly that good. This is probably how you're feeling right now as well. Is it really possible to have a machine run my entire product review niche sites for me? And I think that we've hopefully answered that question and have proven to you that yes, it is possible and we have done it. With that in mind, we were truly considering taking this directly to the mass public market and charging a hefty monthly recurring fee for it. We know how big the product review niche is, how much it's lacking for a real reliable product, and how valuable a tool like is to the marketplace. So when we tell you that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure access to Quillaio for this insane pre-launch discount, we truly mean it. Quillaio is not even available to be purchased outside of this page. Heck, this is the first time anyone is ever hearing about this secret weapon that we've developed. This is why we're offering it at such a tremendous value. And trust me, you may never see it again offered at this price with this much value and the amazing bonuses we've mentioned on this page ever again. So at this point, I highly recommend going below this video and watching the demo video, checking out all the features, the exclusive bonuses, the charter members discount deal, and once you're done doing that, make sure to secure your pre-launch discount today. Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and welcome to the official demo video for Quillaio, which is the most advanced platform that writes, optimizes, and posts profit-producing product reviews from any URL for 4 of the most profitable keyword types in 90 seconds or less, so that you can get page 1 rankings and earn affiliate commissions for the most profitable and easiest keywords known to marketers. So this is the first time that someone has built a platform that not only writes product reviews for you, which is AI content with a purpose, but with a very specific purpose, because it writes for the most profitable type of keywords for you. And I'll show you what that means here in a second. So to come in here and use Quillaio, all you have to do is hit this plus sign up here. And we have the option here at the top for Quillaio to write regular reviews for specific products, to write reviews around the for dummies keywords, which is a variation of a how-to keyword. So pretty much an example of that would be something like Forex for dummies or futures trading for dummies. Instead of someone searching for how to trade Forex, there's a ton of traffic and people that add for dummies to the end of their keywords instead of writing how to. Comparison keywords, which is some of my favorite type of content that goes overlooked quite a bit, but there's so much profit and so much traffic in this type of keyword, which is pretty much comparing 2 or more different products. And then we also have how-to keywords. My favorite way to use how-to keywords are pretty much comparing explaining how to use a very specific product. So an example of that would be something like this here, how to use RMR 86 and RMR 141, which is a very specific mold removal product. All right, so this is going to lead people down to a buying option at the end. So they're going to be able to make a buying decision at the end of reading this type of content around this keyword. We also have the ability for you to have local reviews written for you if you're working with local clients and you want to make it easier for their customers to write reviews and post those reviews on your clients' local profiles. You can use our platform to have those reviews written for the customer and then just have send it to them for approval or any changes, and then have them actually post it, because many times customers don't want to go through the hassle of actually writing a review and posting it. But if you handle the writing for them and then you send it to them, and then all they have to do is copy paste, that is a much easier way to get reviews actually posted onto your clients' local profiles. We also have just regular blog posts keywords in here if you want to just have a regular blog post written. And we have a sales video script writer, which you, depending on which level you purchase, you'll be getting it access to that as well. So in this demo video, I'm going to go ahead and go for the comparison keyword type. Which is, again, one of my favorite type of keywords that not many people target, but there is so much traffic, so much profit in this type of keyword. So for the example that I'm going to go with here, I'm going to actually go for seeing some running shoes, since I'm an avid runner and usually run about 3 miles a day. But I was going to just go ahead and go directly to comparing 2 shoes that I've been running in lately, which is the On Cloud shoes or the Hoka shoes. But in doing my research, I found some better keywords, which is to compare 2 products, but to compare it for a specific industry. So I wasn't aware that this was such a big niche where nurses actually look for specific shoes, which does make sense since they are standing for most of their day on their shifts. So that's the actual content that I'm going to have written. I'm going to compare 2 shoes, but specifically for a specific industry to make it even more targeted. All right, so I'm going to just capitalize some of these. Then here, depending on which level you purchase, again, you're going to be able to increase this up to 1,800 words. And again, it all depends on which level you purchase. I'm going to put it at 1,000 for now. I'm going to put on cloud versus Hoka for nurses. Then here, I'm going to go ahead and do a secondary term like best shoes. I'll do R on cloud or Hoka shoes better for nurses as an example, just to have a secondary keyword in there. Links, I'm going to automatically add my affiliate link here. I'm going to do Hoka, do Hoka shoes as an example, and I'm just going to link to this here. All right. Now, outside of this demo video, I would probably spend a little bit more time and find an actual specific product page on Amazon to link to, and I'd probably link to both on cloud and Hoka so that our system will be able to add both of my affiliate links depending on whichever one the person reading it picks to buy. All right, I'm going to add authority links to give our article a little bit more credibility. I'm not going to add images for this one because this is an actual two specific products that I'm talking about. So when I go to post this to my site, I'm going to actually have it. I'm going to use custom images and I'm going to take images most likely from Amazon and add those into my post. Now here is where the magic happens. This is the data sources, and I can use up to 3 different data sources to pretty much give our engine the information to write the product review around. So for this one, I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this is a Reddit post, Hoka or on cloud specific for nurses. Okay. I'm going to put that in there, a URL. Now, depending on which level you purchase, again, you'll be able to unlock all 3 of these data source types. So PDF, URL, or YouTube video. I'm going to go ahead and add that there. Let me see if I can find some other links that have data sources. And again, you can use any URL that you like. So we can have this one here as well as a YouTube video. And again, this all depends on which level you purchase, if you can have YouTube in here or not. And I'm going to see if I can find one more. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click this one here as well, on cloud versus Hoka. All right, add that one there. And we are good to go. I'm going to go ahead and now hit create. And that's how simple it is to come in here and have high quality reviews written for you for some of the most profitable and easiest to rank for keywords that you can find and that most marketers target. So this is going to take about 15 to 20 seconds to actually complete this content. So I'll pause this video for now and come back once it's completed. All right, so that did take about 15 seconds to complete. And here you can see the exact article that was written for me. Not only did it optimize the title for me, but it talks about the features and technology comparison, the benefits for nurses, the drawbacks and considerations, and a conclusion, which is the best choice for nurses. So I'm going to go ahead and just stop this here so you guys can pause this video and have a read through this. But it gives an intro. All right. Not only that, but it also adds my affiliate link right here at the top. It adds that authority link here to give our content a little bit more credibility. And it again has a middle and it has a conclusion, and it covers everything that a potential nurse who is looking between Hoka and on cloud shoes should be looking for when they're reading and figuring out which shoe to purchase. All right. So Perfect content written here for me in a matter of 15 seconds for comparison keywords where you're comparing 2 or more different products. And one of the reasons that this is one of my favorite type of keywords is because just about every product out there has a competitor now. So instead of just having written a review around just On Cloud shoes or just Hoka shoes, I can then go a bit deeper and compare products to their competitors and get even more high quality content posted onto my site. All right. And then from here, I can just come to this post to WordPress option, and I'll be able to add your WordPress sites by clicking on this option here. You would enter your information, add our plugin so that it can post on your behalf, add your details here, click OK, and then your list of sites would show up here on the left hand side. You just select it, and then here are the posting options. You can publish it right away. You can leave it as a draft. You can choose the post date. I'm going to leave it blank so it can post right away. Your posting category. It automatically fills in the tags there for you. It automatically writes your post description there. And here is where you can go ahead and add your images. Now, like I said, I would go ahead and add custom images here for this particular type of post because they're talking about specific products. But just for the purpose of this demo video, I'm just going to go ahead and select some of these here on the left hand side. All right, and I'll go ahead and add one more here. All right. Again, obviously, I would not be using these since they are not the relevant images for this post. But again, what I would usually do is just come to Amazon, take some of these images and use those in my post. All right. And then here you can also edit and add or remove anything that you'd like here into the content. You can change the title. That title seems pretty good for this particular post. And yeah, from here I would just click post, and this content would get automatically posted to my site. All right. And that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to come in here and have quality content written for all of the best type of keywords that you can target. And you can see here's one that it wrote for me for how to. So it specifically talks about how to use these 2 products for removing mold. All right, here is one about a specific product. So here's a product review about the late put ear max remover. So this is targeting just a general direct review for one product. And you can see here, this is one of the reasons why I would add custom images instead of using the built-in image option when I'm talking about specific product. Because here I obviously wanted to use images about this particular product. But you can see here, you can pause the video and have a read at this, and it also adds my affiliate link and it adds that authority link. But you can see that Quillaio writes some very high quality reviews for you. And here's another one about the competitor of that earwax removal tool. So as you can see there, I'm not only writing each individual review for that product, but I also did the comparison one. So I wrote a review for each product, and then I also have one comparing the 2. All right. So now I'll have some of these posted on this page as well, so you can read through them. But again, these are some very high quality product reviews that you can have written for some of the most profitable type of keywords that you can target for your niche sites. And you can also even turn these into video reviews as well. So we've truly built something special here. We are offering a very special deal right now for Quillaio, so make sure you do take advantage of it. And I look forward to hearing your success using our tool and having high quality product reviews written for you for 4 of the most profitable type of keywords you can target.